everyone, I'm Cinnamon, host of Sewing with Cinnamon, and I'm excited to bring a new topic. This is sewing a themed wardrobe, gymnastics. So this is a lot of fun for me personally. I did gymnastics quite a bit when I was a kid, so it's fun to be able to have the opportunity to dabble a bit back into that sport through our love for fashion in miniature. So over the course of this topic, we are going to cover a few different things. We'll take a look at some different types of fabrics that you're going to want to sew with, sewing with that spandex stretch knit fabric for leotards, sewing with stretch velour for cover-ups and tracksuits. We also have a few interesting projects. Sherry Fuller is with us. She has a brand new tumbling mat pattern, so that's a classic tumbling mat, 4 sections that fold up. It's everything you see when you're at the gym, so it is a great pattern to add to your collection for your gymnastics themed wardrobe set. And then we also have a few crafty projects, a PVC put together type project to make uneven bars, and also a balance beam tutorial. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to have both sewing and crafty projects. We'll look at creating some outfit pieces to add to your collection, as well as rounding it out with props and accessories. So I'm excited, and I know Sherry's really excited to invite you all to join us for this class.